Alright, y'all. I just got some new toys in. And you can see the name there. You gotta bear with me. I haven't got my hands using my phone. So, I wanted to do a review because I really didn't see too much views on there. Let's see what we got in here. And I buy all my stuff from Amazon. Oh, that thing's little. Not what the picture shows. That's alright though. Alright, there's that. It looks bigger on the thing. So, yeah. Alright. That's that. On Amazon, it shows it a lot bigger than that. To be honest with you, way bigger. So, yeah, I'm disappointed on that. Alright, I guess we'll go here. Bear with me here. You see it, bear with me. Oh, sorry about that. You can see what it is there. Trying to set it up here. The phone. There we go. There's that one. Controller, wireless. So, there's that. Now that does actually look a little bit better than the picture does on Amazon too. Alright, my last box here. Just bear with me here. Alright. There we go. Sorry with the quickness. I'm gonna probably do another one. You know, I gotta get the batteries all charged up and everything like that. Says H6 sound, lights, all that good stuff. It's got a battery. Now you got to put batteries in the remote. This one here, I don't know yet. I don't think it comes with a rechargeable battery. Like I said, kind of upset on that one there, but that'd be alright. And then there's same thing with that one. And I do have the big dump truck coming tomorrow, so I'll do a review on it. That's got 15 channels and that's got only 6. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes and how good it works. I'm gonna probably do another one on it pretty shortly, so just hold on. Oh wait, no.
I already pressed it.
Down with it.
Cameron, Justin, get your feet out the way. That camera over there. No, showing the other ones. Justin, move.
And he's gonna miss the shot.
And yay!
Daddy, I will. Does it still work though?
Close up to it.
Battery's about dead, so that's the reason why you hear a lot of clicking. Like I said, I didn't charge my batteries. I just pulled it right out of the box and put it in to test them out. One thing I hate is this is supposed to be metal. It's actually plastic. Now this one here is actually metal. That's metal. That's metal. This one here is made better than this one. Like I said, that's plastic. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of upset on that. I will probably be putting that on the reviews. So, but yeah. That's it so far. I'm gonna go charge them up and.
You want to show them the handle? What the?
I don't really know what the handle is.
Daddy, can we play with yours? Well, we gotta teach you. I don't know the one that I want to be. That's the one I want to be.
If you like it, put a thumbs up. If you don't, hey, I'm alright with it. I'm just doing it for fun. So, y'all have a good one. Goodbye.